Hi, good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Rahila Khaled, and I serve as the Business Development Executive in Ecopest Global Training. Over 3 years of experience in pest control industry, I am proud to be a part of an organization that leads professionally training across the GCC and Middle East. I am delighted to welcome to you today webinar titled Termites Control Terms, a focused and practically session designed to enhance your technical vocabulary and field knowledge. Before we begin, I would like to share the brief overview of today's structure. Today's structure, the webinar will be divided into 4 sessions. Each lasts approximately 15 to 20 minutes, allowing to us to explore key concepts in manageable and high impact segments. And it's now pleasure to introduce our expert speaker, Mr. Engineer Hatim Mansour. Engineer Hatim Mansour is the pest management consultant and industry developer, and within 34 years of experience in pest control, environmental health, and agriculture consultancy. He holds master degree in pest management and entomology from the University of Khartoum, Sudan. He has been a key contributor to the advancement of the pest control practices and across the Middle East. More than 22 years, he has been actively engaged in UAE pest management field, working extensively with the municipality authorities and private sectors to raise standards and deliver effective solutions. And after that, 2017, Engineer Hatam founded Ecopest Environmental Consultancy, now today as Ecopest Global Training, is the first dedicated pest control learning platform in the GCC and Middle East. Through this platform, he developed more than 20 professional training courses and that continue to shape the competency of pest control professionals across the region. It's truly honor to be him lead today webinar. I'm confident that you will be find the sessions insightfully practical and through workable. Please join me in welcoming Engineer Hatim Mansour. Over to you, sir. Hello. Thanks for all of the participants joined today evening our webinar, and mostly from Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh and Nepalis and GCC. All the participants welcome to this webinar. I hope after that this joining this webinar you will learn more good things, and after that future you will be bright.
Hello everybody. Sorry for disturbance of this. I'm very sorry. So I think this Rahila make for you introduction for this. My voice is clear for you, Rahila?
Yes, sir. Your voice is okay.
So welcome everybody. This is Hatim Mansour, pest management consultant and instructor. And today, inshallah, we'll make for you a webinar or seminar. We will start like this about pest control professional. And my name is Hatim Mansour. I'm working the field for more than 34 years. Other thing that, inshallah, we will join together and try to make some benefits for you and to get some information about the pest management. So today our training about the termite control. So termite is being one of the now I will not tell that it is separated from pest control, but it is part of the pest management, and it is very important. And termite is one of the now services and being well for people now make it because it make effect of the services of this 1 minute best. Very sorry for technical of this one, but it will not be repeated again. So we will do today about, we will start our training by terms. I always focus on the terms. Terms has some issues that it will make, it will give the language and give the good communication between us, and we know everything about this industry by the terms always in pest control, because pest control now started before 20 years as a separate profession and field of the business. So we have to, we are still developing this profession, this year. Let us start and gain the time for this. I will start with you by our Mr. Madhu to give me the share for this. I need the share. So today I will talk about this 100 termites control terms. Let us start with learning this. The terms. Terms are very important, and this is by the session or this lecture of today. And termite, now we make extract of these terms to be part of our training material exclusively for this one here. And let me just make grouping of these terms. We classify it. I think that by today we can finish it, but I don't think that we have to. We will try to finish it by today to make it clear for them. We classify it to termite biology, behavior, and materials, equipment, also terms. Also the terms for the control techniques. And also we have the operation and safety. So all these, I think that it is the four important components of this termite control. So we need to study this. We will start by this termite biology, behavior. Then after that, if there is any time, we will make it as materials, equipment, and control technique, then operation, safety. So all these are types of the terms, language of this termite. Other thing that we will focus on this. We'll start by this one. I don't know the time will give me or still, but we will see. If this one, we have to just to repeat this webinar every week to be next Saturday or other Saturday. I don't know about the control people. They will show me, my team. Why study terms? Why we study terms? We study terms because of the professional communications, and it will ensure clear understanding between technicians, clients, regulators, and inspectors. This is very important as a professional communication. Other thing that it will give accurate diagnosis and reporting. That means that it will help to describe the infestation. Everything will make the infestation, the behavior, and the treatment and inspection. And the reports also very important. You have to put these terms. Number 3, regulatory compliance means that it will align with the industry standard and municipal codes, and also it will give legal document during audits and listening. This is very important. These terms. Number 4, it can give technician training and certification during the technician training and certification for the supervisor, for the technician. It will give the forms of foundation of learning modules and examples, exams, and practical technicians evaluation. This is very important for this side. Other thing, the last thing that about the client education and trust, it will build credibility when explaining the treatment plans for baiting system for the homeowners and the property managers, because you know that this terms about termite control. Let us start with this termite biology. Termite biology will start by this termite workers. Termite workers, you know that those are the workers who are this part of the colony of the termite. We will start with this biology because biology, it will, by the way, it will works on this behavior and biology together. It is very important for any supervisor or technician because it will give the information. You will start that to know the to know about the infestation, to know about signs of infestation, to know about the biological any biological here. So without knowing the biology of the pest, you cannot do any type of control or any plan or supervision effectively for your control. Then it will be successful control for yourself. So let us start by this biology terms. We will start by the these termite workers. You know, the termite are one of the social insect. So it will part of the caste and part of the categories of them are workers, and also these workers are called caste. Part of the caste that it will gather the food, build the tunnels, care for the colony. This is very important as worker are working for saving the colony. Other thing, the soldier. Soldier is the case termite also responsible for defending the colony, and it will give against the predators. Any predators they will make for them. So it is part of the social system of this termite. It is very important. So we consider it well. Other thing, the third one is reproductive termite. Reproductive termite, to those with wings and responsible for creating new colonies. Those are different from the soldiers and different from the workers and called alates. Alates is a reproductive one. The reproductive, those members who are making they will make copy of the they were creating the new colonies. So workers and soldiers, they cannot create irritation, but only this reproductive termite. Also, they can call it alates. Alates is the same like this reproductive, and they are winged termites that can leave the colony to mate and start new colonies with the same because they have these wings. So we call it also as a swarmer. So swarmers, alates, and reproductive with the same functioning and with the same year, but different in the functioning of them. But it will be the same because those swarmers, this is just like a stage of them when they make wings and they go as a population to leave the colony to start new colonies. So we call them swarmers. So swarmer, alates, and reproductive. I need you to know those are the same. So reproductive because they have functioning of make new colonies or new members. And they can qualify to be as a queen also, one of them, and also the male also. And alates with the same, it will make the mating and then start the colonies. These all swarmers and this one. We go to the very important member is primary queen. This one, queen, is the top leader of the colony. It will make they're called female, and this in charge of production of the egg. It will make production of the egg and making the authority for the full authority for the colony. So it is called primary queen. Primary queen, we just to differentiate it from secondary queen. Secondary queen is the reserve, or we can call it as a supplementary queens that develop when primary queen is injured, dies, there is some problem here. So those will be like secondary one, and there will be qualifies so as to be as replacing to be as the primary queen in case of this injury or dies. Other thing, those called also part of the behavior of the this colony is called self-grooming, and it is being cleaned themselves and remove the fungi, parasite. The air will make the behavior. Behavior is also part of the term. We have to know it. It is that this, for example, the workers or the soldier can do this group for make self-grooming for them. Other term we can call it like swarming, synchronizing. Synchronization means that they can release alerts. Alerts we mentioned it before, and we saw that they do the same. Means that they can go in parallel. They can go in parallel with making one group go here this side, other group go other side, and they make new colonies in different locations. And this it will happen always on the season. Season in UAE or in the Gulf area or GCC, it will be on this April. It is from February until March and April. This is the season of swarming. That means that composing new colonies of termite. Other term is substrate preference. That means that substrate preference is the place behavioral selection. So those alerts or swarming or swarmers have the ability to select a certain type of wood soil based on the moisture. Sorry, this substrate mean that the selections of them for the workers, I mean the workers, very sorry, for the workers so as to select new wood, something more attractive for them because it has moisture, it has text and have nutrient content, cellulose, very valuable. So they have the substrate preference. So they have the ability like this. We know that this termite insect have the ability because it works with full pheromones. So the detecting or checking or setting this moisture and to check about the moisture or texture or new area of the timber or this wood, she can make it easily. Other thing that we also another term like sigmotaxis. Sigmotaxis means the tendency of the termite to stay in close contact with the surface while moving. This is, you know that they go in the mud tube. I will show you the mud tube now. It will come now. Mud tubes means that this is the tube or like tunnel. Those can go together. They have the tendency to go together in a tight area or tunnel effectively by moving this just because they are going to search and forage for food like cellulose. So they go this behavior called sigmotaxis. Other one called one of the behavior is called symbiotic digestion. It is also a very important term. We know this term is being using make good relation cooperation between these microbes and termites, and it will make it will be inside their gut, and so they can it will make facilitation for the gut micro for the cellulose. It will help her for them because it will be inside their ear. So it is called symbiotic digestion. Symbiotic digestion is the availability of these microbes or microorganism inside the gut of this termite so as to help the termite for breaking down the cellulose, make digestion easily for them. And this is the other one of the behavior. Other one is termite trophallaxis. Termite trophallaxis means the mutual exchange of food. This termites have the ability to make the exchange of food and fluids among termites, spreading nutrients and sometimes toxins in the bedding. Here it's very important for the supervisor to understand this prophylaxis, because shifting this bedding or this toxic beds from when you put it in this bedding system or bedding here, it will be according to the this behavior of prophylaxis, because it will make shifting delivery from here, receiving from this one to other, then after that shifting there and transport it to the colonies. Then after that, they can share it together. Sharing. Here, this is called, by other saying that it will be sharing. Sharing means that they can check it and make it together, and then after that, it will happen the killing or the mortality will happen between them. Other thing that called feeding gallery. Feeding gallery is that hollow out tunnel. So this termite make feeding until they make the galleries. The galleries are the shelters or the places that where termites feed. They feed like this. They make a production of this feeding gallery, and this feeding gallery, it will be action. It will happen until it will make like these voids or spaces that it will give these places. It is part of the science of infestation. When you make inspection for this one, it will be part of them. Other one is called foraging distance. Foraging distance is a maximum distance termite travel from their colony to find food. So also we need to know this term. Foraging distance means to go from place to other place that they cross, for example, 3 meter, 1 meter, like this from their place and getting back. So it will be, I'll always, when I teach for people that, I will tell them it will be the same like track of this road of Abu Dhabi to Dubai. When you go right side, then after that you're going back, it will be same like track of them. This is called this here. So it will be inside the tunnel or inside the mud tube sometimes. Like this mud tube now coming to us. The very important term. This is it will be built by termite, and it will be very important tunnel-like structure made by subterranean termite for moisture and protection while traveling. Why? What is the function of this mud tube? Mud tube is making just to keep to keep herself inside this without light, because the light is not they don't like it, and at the same time it will be away from the enemies. Another thing that it will keep or to reduce or to keep the hydration of herself by keeping the moisture effectively with them between the soil colony and here. And it will be like the same route going, coming like this. This it will happen inside this mud tubes. Other thing like termite frass. Termite frass is a ficus or droppings of them, ficus of them or pickle pick for them, and it is part of our science of infestation. If we need to know about the termites, it will be by this, and often found near infested wood, especially with dry wood. Here, we don't have, we have like, you know, that we have this dry wood. It is part of this one. Is always affecting dry wood termite, one of the termite that affecting the, for example, the furniture, not underground. It will not be like the subterranean. Subterranean is that one which is famous to be inside under the soil or underground. And but this dry termite, it will be on the top, and it will be like furniture, something like the attics found in these buildings with wood, like in the America or Australia, other overseas, they have like this. Other thing like bed compatible dermatocide. This is also, we consider it as also term and very important. Dermatocide selected because they do not interfere with bed station effectiveness when used together. Bed compatible dermatocide. So this is also part of the term. Bed compatible means that it is compatible dermatocide, means that these beds this material or substance which is attractive for the termite is compatible with the termiticide. This means like this. So we call it bait compatible termiticide, means that it's selected because they do not interfere with bait station effectively when used together. So we use it in this bait station. We will go. We will see the bait station. Another definition also. Other thing that subterranean termite. Subterranean termite is the termite is a famous one. Is the common one. Is the dangerous one, and it will build their colonies underground, not like the dry or the damp, because generally you have to know that there is three groups of termites: subterranean, dry wood, and this damp wood. So the famous and the common and the more economic important one is the subterranean, the more damageable one, and it will live on underground and contact with soil moisture. Always termite connected with moisture. Don't forget that any termite for your inspection, we will just link it or connect it with this moisture. So it will be in the underground, but in the underground of the area of moisture. This one you have to put it together. So without moisture, you not find this termite effectively available. And it's like the bed bug or the cockroach, it will live without moisture. It can live without moisture. But in the termite, it is different from them. Other thing that dry wood termite, also the definition that it lives directly inside the dry wood without need for soil contact. Here, this type of termite have no relation with this working with the soil or underground, or so it will be up to the ground, and it is like this, always in the furniture, in the this wall of the houses, attics. The other one, Formosa termite, is a dangerous one. This is a very dangerous found in Florida in America, and it's called super termite because it is the aggressive one and destructive species of them. Read about this one here. Subterranean termite able to consume wood at rapid rate. This is why they call it super termite because it have 400 grams of wood per day. This is the average consumption of this subterranean, and it is larger than that one here. It is found in the area of termite in America, for example, found in the Florida, one of the famous one. I don't think that it is found here in this GCC. Sorry. Localized infestations, also this is a very important definition. That means there is some infestation happening or occurring in a specific area only or limited area only. It's not linked with the other one. Maybe starting of this one, maybe because of one of the furniture or any one affected by this one, but this one, how you make it is. So in your report, you have to define it as localized infestation, we call it, and because it is confined, specific, found in one place. Other link, that swarming season. Swarming season, we defined it before, and it is the period when termite reproductive leave the nest and mate and establish new colonies. This is before we define it. It will express about the season, as we told that from February, March, and April, and some to May. And this is the season of termite new colonies reproduction. And swarming means flying outside the area, to fly, to make wings like this and flight, then make wing shedding. Shedding means that after they stabilize, they select a place and to make it well, this is good place for them. Then this termite, they make shedding for their place for this one here. So lose their wings and make landing and start new colonies for them. We go to other one like secondary infestation. Secondary that new termite infestation. This is by happening of this here because they stabilize, they make new one secondary So secondary infestation will happen. That means that it will cause after previous treatment gaps for the failure. Or sometimes we call it if you are not doing successful mm, control or measures of the termite control, like many companies here, for example, sometimes in the UAE, they are not working, they're not making spraying good, it's not effective, their work, they have problem in the dosing, they have problem of the application rate, so infestation come again. So it is called secondary infestations because here, or you are not covering the area. Sometimes because they are not covering the area well. Yeah, here you are not. There is sometimes you make it in some places. Not you make the dose okay, you make the application okay, but there is some areas you are not covering well. So this monitor acoustic emission detector. This is part of the detection. Part of the detection is the faint sounds of termite eating wood, and it is very important to know that there is some one of the techniques, the new techniques to listen to the sound by this one. You will not listen it, of course, but it will give the sound, the faint sounds having here. But you will see this one as a graph or waves in this screen like this. You will know that this one. There is other uh, tools of this one. We will show it in our training also available. Satellite colony. Satellite colony is not normal colony, but it is connected colony with other ones. Secondary termite colony established away from the main nest, often connected with underground. Sometimes when you make new colony, this is new colony available. Another colony can be created near this one. So it will we just define it as satellite colony, or we make it as secondary colony, termite colony. This is also known in the biology of the terms as a very important term. You have to know it. Carton nest is that nest made by termite from the soil, wood particles, saliva inside the structure, any structure. If you find mud tubes, not mud tubes, you will find something like this. This is called carton nest. And this carton nest, it can be created because those termite workers go away. So, and sometimes they have happening together with some here. So they use to make this one as for their traffic here, same like resting for them and do it for them as stay for their waiting area, waiting place here. But it will not be separated from the main colony. The main colony is very important for them here. Another one, or I think this is the last one, is nest regulation, nest relocation. Nest relocation is that movement of part of all the colony to a new nest site of conditions become unfavorable. For any reason, there is some relocation of this termite make this colonies not favorable. There is any damage, any no moisture, no, they will shift and make new one. And this is called swarming flight, nuptial, and they will go and make exhibition new one. And this is called the nest relocation of this one. And make selection of this will be the same of that one, not new swarming, not new swarming. Sometimes they make started with swarming flight, like nuptial. You see here in this photo, make swarming. It will be the same. Sometimes we can define it with the same swarming flight. Then after that, make pairing or make mating. Then after that, make selecting the sites. Then make excavation, means that they make digging the soil so as to make the colony inside, then developing the first worker, then going like colony expansion, then make reproduction of the soldiers for the worker, or then also the third one is the secondary reproductives. They make it, they prepare it, production of the soldier, and then after that make the maturity of the this colony. Now colony is working well for them. Other thing called the nest mate recognition. Nest mate recognition, it is part of the distinguishing in the colony. Here, the members like the workers or like this soldiers, they can recognize each other by pheromones called chemical sensing. So it is part of the pheromones being secreted from the glands. You know that the termite member like worker or soldier or this queen itself or the alates all have glands are effective. These glands are available, and these glands give the chance to make the secretion of these pheromones. So the pheromones is communication, is a very important system for communication for them, just to alarming them, to track pheromone, alarm pheromone, and mating or sexual pheromone. Many of this one. In next time, we will also just teach about these pheromones and how the pheromone affecting the relation of this one. So it is part of this nest mate means that recognition. Recognition is just part of recognizing by communication of the pheromones of them. Same like ant, the world of the ant is will be all the social insect, the bees also, and also the wasp. All the social insect itself have more diverse or too much pheromones with them, different from the cockroach or this cockroach have two or three pheromones, and also this house flies or other like bed bug like this have aggregate pheromone. They have this one, but for the social insect, it has full system of pheromones. This is why they are adopting this social system for them. The social system is being effective for them here. Other thing that we need to know about structural infestation, very important to know about the termite invasion affecting the actual structure like wall beams, like this one. This is the damage it will having. It will also part of our science of investigation when we make the inspection services. You know that the inspection is part of the uh, our service. We know that the termite control service is divided into two, operation service or operations and operation of control and operation of inspection. So both of them are making here. So this, we use it always for know that this is infestation, small infestation, medium infestation, this one here, by the damage or by these mud tubes or by this cracks or availability of these muds to know about this one here. Tunneling. Tunneling is underground movement system termite creating foraging. So termite make tunneling like this so as to know the areas so as to go from here to there, from here it will create it by these workers and create roads or tracks that they can go, and they use the moisture for them and to do it effectively. Other term is group defense. Group defense is a group of collective action by soldier, termites, and worker to defend the colony. Sometimes the colony is being threatened by these ants. The ants always threatening the termite colony and try to take, because you know that the ants has they are omnivorous, means that they can eat anything. So and they have this nature of or just behavior of just going and you can tell like attacking other the like colonies like bees, like termites, like this one. So they have these soldiers, workers, so as to make defense about them. This is just like part of their behavior or the socialist of them here. Case differentiation means that the process by which termite names develop into workers. That means that case differentiation. When this term comes, means that the process by which one day being born by eggs, then after that they will hatch. Then after that will be differentiated that this is worker, this is soldiers, this is nymph. Nymph is also part of the life cycle of them. This is reproductive. They are different from them. So this is called case differentiation. Case differentiation is just anything, any one of the members is being with his own character and morphology different from them, and they have functioning different from them here. Queen suppression. Queen suppression behavior where the presence of the primary queen inhibits the developing of the secondary. One, the primary queen taking the job of making the main leader of the colony, so it will make suppression. Suppression means it is part of the terms that use it, but use it always in tomology. In the our the termite control service, we are not using too much, but I give it for you just like part of the term of the biology of them. So all these are about termite biology and behavior, and make it clear here. Thank you. So let us start. I don't know that there is time. Rahila? We will make certificate, by the way, after this one, since termite colony typically only on the primary queen and king. How does the colony regulate the development of multiple alates without disrupting the reproductive hierarchy or triggering internal competition? Yes, I will answer for all this. Since termite control typically has colony, one primary queen and king, and does the colony regulate the development and multiple alates without disrupting the hierarchy? I don't know that the question is what. I will type the answer for you, or all this we will answer it like this. We will make answering for this one. You can come to our Rahila also can receive any questions about anything that we make it for you here. I think that after we finish all these termite materials and terms, and we have also that one of termite control techniques, and we have also termite control safety. So now the remain is eight. Three of our terms. I think that we can complete it on the next week. And just I need to recognize you by other thing that this one here, even a question, we can give it for you for the other one. Okay. So let me also recognize you about our training course of new one. We make it here for this one. It is chance for me to show you our sorry. So we have this new updated. It is not new. We have always before one of the people that enter it part of your pick, and now we make our training course together with Udemy. And this is found in the Udemy Professional Termite Control 201 Advanced, 15 hours with the training. And it is new updated one. Need just to transfer me to show you about this training course. It is professional. It will be on within 2 days. It will be in Udemy. Now we'll make it with the system professional termite control 201 advanced. And this training course is full professional course, and it will give you the full information about this one here. I think this price is 129, but sometimes it will be less than this, not too much of this, less than this. You can take it by your car. So this one, make it this session. It will have 7 sessions, this training course, and it have 50 videos, full of video, but videos are not too much, not up to 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes like this, and professional videos with full virtuality and full narration with very clear voice, and 7 quizzes. But after each session, there is a quiz. Also, we make new technology of Udemy about practice test. Practice test is good, and it will have some important thing that it will give you like virtuality or of the this of the situation. It will make compensate of the practical one. The other thing, the new one is called role play. Role play is the new one. Role play means that how to deal with them with technology of AI. We use it. Just also this one, it will give the practical virtuality of the practical one here, because it will AI will be with the same like a client, and you will be as a supervisor. So you will make same like mock of the service itself. You will do the mock here with the relation of the clients or the other stakeholders found in this operation. We will give you certificate of completion. Also, after this training, it is available after 2 days, 3 days. Just we will send you the link just to make it. Inshallah, it will be with good price without this one, and we'll take it from home, and we'll keep the videos with you, everything. Other thing that this training delivery is found in the Udemy also recorded. Also, the same training is found in Ecopest online recorded. We have our website called Ecopest Online. It is recorded. And we have delivery by Ecopest Center recorded. This is found of this. And other thing that if you can come to us in Musaffah Industrial, it is found as a center. So you can take it from there in the video, take it and attend it there. For it is delivery Zoom by Zoom live. Also, we can make it as a Zoom live, same like this. And it will be 2 hours per day. For 7 days, you will complete it. And also, it is found as delivery class also. If you make it here, it will be sent by me or by Engineer Rabia. Khalid, you also have 5 hours per day, and for 3 days, you will make it well. Delivery by client side also, it is found 5 hours by this one. We will come to you by your side. This is here. By the way, this training preparing for you with Ecotest certified termite control supervisor. This one, it will give you like to be certified here, CTCS by Ecotest in Dubai. We have our office in the Abu Hail. There you will get this certificate. You'll get the exam online by this Promotric, and it is found. So you can register with Rahila, and it will make or any one of our Ecopest site here. Here, all these terms also available, but same here, it will be available in our Facebook and other our social pages. Mr. Ivrish, Hilary, and can we have the PDF? Also, we have, yes, about the terms we have available, sure. I mean, how termite start initially. Start initially means that it will come by infection. It will come like infestation by here, because there is some wood from place to place, or by swarming, shifting from place to place and coming here. And it is possible those have obtained an individual training certificate and certificates some authorizing. Yes, we have certificate. Just contact with Ecopest. We will give you certificate. And how log the life alerts termite? How log? I didn't understand log. How? Just can you make it again? I am Muhammad Shahrayar from Pakistan. Anyone biological control termite? Welcome, Mr. Muhammad Shahrayar Akram from Pakistan. Welcome from all people from Pakistan. Pest controller. Tanvir Hussain, welcome. Doctor, I got the late joining, and it will be found in the recording. It will be found, found in the our social pages, social media pages, social media. Just like our LinkedIn or this one. هنعمل محاضرة بالعربي. We will make it Arabic also next time in Arabic. And also we will make translation of this one. If other people also from the Hindi speaker also, we can make it in Hindi. If the people not like it in Hindi, we can also make it for them, translate it. And we have Rabia, she can speak Hindi. She is Urdu speaker, actually, from Pakistan. PDF, just contact with this Rahila. Also, yes, it is available. Yes, this here. So we will make it here. Tanvir, yes, thank you for you. Dr. Wakar Jalil from welcome, Mr. Wakar, Dr. Wakar, welcome and welcome here in our here. How can we get certificate? Certificate will just be contact with Rahila. Don't hear me, all people. Can you share the yes? It is available here. I did not get answer to the treatment for termite. Termite control we will make it when we go to the these terms of the techniques, control techniques. Next week we will go, and I think the people come for the next week. For the next week we can also make another Saturday 9 o'clock to 10, and this time we can make the materials, equipment, and these techniques. We try to finish this year. Okay. Anything else? We can any questions? We can make it here because our time is finished. And see you later on the next Sunday, Saturday. Appreciate your attending here and coming and welcome in our Ecopest, and welcome for any information and many recommend these advices about pest control or termite control. Just keep in touch with this Ecopest. We will keep aware of this here, and we will make it effective for you. Thank you for your sharing with us and attending this session. Thank you. Thank you.